Hello, my name is Afzal and welcome to this quick system.io tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a pop-up in system.io. So if you haven't already signed up for system.io, so you can go to the first link in the description and check out the completely free plan and sign up for system.io for absolutely free. Now I already have an account, so I will sign in from here. So here I am inside my dashboard, as you can see. So I will go to my funnels from here. So this is one of my funnels that I have created to promote a product as an affiliate. So as you can see, there are two pages there. First is a landing page and second one is a bridge page. So first of all, let me show you the landing page that I have created. So to preview this, I will click on this I button. So as you can see, my landing page looks like this. Here I have given a button as well as a video. This actually is not a video, this is an image. Whenever someone will click on this image, they will be shown a pop-up like this. So we will be creating a pop-up like this. I will be showing you how to create that pop-up. And if someone clicks on this button as well, so they will again will be shown this pop-up. So now I will show you how to create this pop-up. So first of all, I will go back to my funnels and I will go to the editor. So to edit this, I will click on this magic wand button. So I will click here. Now I am inside the editor here in my landing page. So first of all, before adding a pop-up to this button and to this image or this video, first we will have to create a pop-up. So to create a pop-up, first you're gonna go to this pop-ups here. As you can see, there are some different number of pop-ups that I already have created are listed here. So we have to create a new one. So for that, you're gonna click on this add pop-up. So as you can see, this pop-up will be created for you. Now it is ready to be edited. So before editing this text and forms and buttons, I will edit the settings of this pop-up. So for that, you're gonna click on this edit pop-up settings. So here you can see all the settings are given for this pop-up to be edited. So first of all, first option is show close button. So if you turn this option on, so as you can see, a close button will appear here. If you turn it off, it will be disappeared. So if you turn it on, if you turn it on, so your leads can close this pop-up whenever they want. If they don't want to enter the detail, or if they want to look at your landing page in more details before entering the details, so they can close the pop-up from here. So make sure to turn this on. And if you want that the pop-up will open automatically, so you can turn this option on. I will turn it off for now because I don't want the pop-up to open automatically. If you turn it on, so you can set the time from here, after how many seconds it will be appeared automatically. So for now I will turn it off. Then if you click on this option, if you turn it on, open on exit intent, so whenever someone wants to exit the page, this pop-up will appear automatically at that time. So and from here you can change the background color of this pop-up. As you can see, white background is there, so I will leave it as it is. You can change this, you can increase or decrease the padding from here if you want. From the top and bottom and left right, if you want, you can play around these options. You can change this border as well. For default, a solid border is selected here. You can select a dash border or dotted border if you want. I will select a solid border as it is. Then I will change the color of this border. I will keep it congruent to my landing page. As you can see, you can change the color and make sure that you create your pop-up congruent to your landing page. Add all the fonts and all the colors similar to the fonts and colors you have selected on your landing pages for your button as well and for your borders as well. So now I will select this color for now. You can change the border type also. You can select only bottom border as you can see, or you can select top only or top and bottom only. I will select full border. So as you can see, the border will be added on all four corners here. Now you can change the width of the border as well from here. As you can see, 5x, 5px, 3px, you can increase or decrease the width of the border. I will select 3px for now. You can select a shadow for the pop-up as well. So I will select a hard shadow from here. Then you can round the corners. As you can see, these corners, so you can increase or decrease these values to increase the roundness of the corners or 4 corners. So I will drag it down all the way to 10 so that all the corners will be equally rounded. As you can see, I have rounded the corners equally on all 4. So the settings are now done for this pop-up. Now we just have to edit these things, this text and this form and this button. So first of all, I will edit this text. So instead of this subscribe here for free, I will type your, or instead this, enter your best email. Then to edit this, you can increase edit from here. You can increase or decrease the font size from here. You can increase or decrease the line height from here. You can select the font what you want, keep it congruent to your landing page. I am not wasting any time right now. You can do it yourself. You can increase or decreasing the letter spacing from here as well. You can change the background color as well. You can change the text color. You can play around these options. As you can see, you can increase or decrease the paddings. So I am not wasting your time right now. So now I will come to my form. Now to configure this, you will have to click on this form. So as you can see, all the settings are appeared here related to this form. So if you are collecting only emails, so make sure that you select this form, and from input type, just select this email option from here. And if you want to collect names also of your leads, so you can drag and drop another form from here. So first of all, click anywhere on the landing page instead of this pop-up. So you will see an option here, form input. You can drag and drop this option below this text. So as you can see, another form is added here. You can collect the names of your leads in this form, and you can collect email addresses here. And if you want to collect some more information, so you can add a number of forms from here. So right now I will delete this because I am not collecting the names of my leads. I'm just collecting the emails. So first of all, I will select this, and from here I will select email because I want to collect the emails of my leads. Now I will type a placeholder here, so you can type anything you want. I will type your best, or I will type your email here. So as you can see, a text is added here. I misfired something. So your email here. As you can see, a text is added here. You can change its color also. You can increase or decrease the font size here. From here, you can increase or decrease the line height from here. You can add an icon from here if you want. So since I am collecting emails, so I will add this icon. Let's say, as you can see, an icon is added here related to mail. Then you can change the background color from here. This background color of this form, you can change the text color also if you want. You can increase or decrease the margins from here, from top, bottom, left and right. You can round the corners. You can change the roundness of the corners. I will leave it as it is for now. You can select a shadow for this as well. You can select a border. You can change the border. You can play around these options. So as you can see, our form is now ready. Now I will edit this button. Now I will configure this button. So for that, you will have to click on this button to configure its settings. Now one thing, you make sure that whenever you configure your button, so if you select send form option from here, then only your leads can go to the next page after entering the email address or their details. If you don't select this send form option from here, for example, if you select this open URL option, so your leads can directly go to the next page without entering their email. So make sure that you select the send form option from here. Then from here you can select any of the options like to next step or to custom URL or to no redirection. You can select any of the options. I will select to next step because I want to send them to the next step, to the next page, which is my bridge page, where I will show them my video training, this video training. Now you can edit the width of this button as well. So I will select this fill width. I will leave it as it is. You can increase and decrease the margins from here as well. Then you can change this text, this click here. Instead of this click here, I will type show me the video which is related to my landing page. Then you can increase or decrease the font size from here as well. You can increase or decrease the line height as well. You can change the fonts from here. If you can change this subtext, as you can see, it is given here. So I don't need any subtext, so I will remove it from here. You can select an icon from here, and here if you want to say, get an icon before this text, so you will go to this option. and if you want to add the icon after the text, you will go to the option. So let's select an arrow because we want to click them onto this button. So I will select this arrow here. Now you can change the background color of this button as well. Again, I'm reminding, just keep your button and all your colors and fonts congruent to your landing page. Then you can change the text color as well of this button. This text color you can change from here. As you can see, this text color, I will leave it as it is for now. You can increase or decrease the paddings as well as you want. You can round the corners, so make sure it is looking congruent to your forms. So as you can see, your form is rounded to 6, I think. So I will round the corners of this button as well and drag it all the way to 6 on all 4 corners, so that it looks similar to this form. And one more thing I will do is I will increase the height of this button as well, so that its height will be similar to this form. So as you can see, now they are looking similar. My form and my button are looking of same height. Then from here you can select a shadow as well for your button. I will select a hard shadow. And if you want to add a border, you can select. I don't need any border, so I will select none. So now our pop-up is ready. It is we just need to configure. So for that, again we will go to our landing page editor. So I will click on my landing page anywhere here. So first of all, let me show you our pop-up that we have created. So this was a pop-up that we have created, pop-up number 7. So to add this pop-up to any of your button or any of your image, first go to that button. So I will select this button. From here I will select show pop-up option. As you can see, you can select show pop-up option, and from here you can select the pop-up that you have created for this button. So I will select this pop-up number 7 that we have already created right now. So whenever someone clicks on this button, they will be shown that pop-up that we have created right now. Then for this image as well, I will select the show pop-up option that was selected by default, and I will select the pop-up that we have created earlier, pop-up number 7. So now if you want to preview this, first of all you can save the changes from here, and if you want to preview this page, so as you can see, this is the preview of my landing page. If you click on this button, so as you can see, a pop-up will be shown to your leads, or if you click on this image, again the pop-up will be shown. So now I will go back to my funnels and I will show you how share the link of your page. So from here you can copy the link and I will paste in a new tab so I can test my pop-up. So as you can see, this is my landing page. If I click on this image, I will have to enter my email address to go to the next step. So I will enter this, and if I click on this button, I will go to the next page where I can see this video training that I've created on my bridge page. That's it from this video. If you got any value out of this, you can give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't already signed up for System.io, you can go to the first link in the description and check out its completely free plan. Thank you and goodbye.